Hey guys, Bree with PowerX Core. In a previous video, I answered some of your questions about installment. I told you all you need is a drill and a level. Everything else we provide for you in our kits. I wanted to kind of let you know what we provide for you to make this simple. We give you a drill bit. This all attaches to any drill. So a drill bit, a driver, and then this little thing right here, which is our self-aligning tool. This, you're going to take our rail and you're going to place this in one of the holes. And if you can see in the back, it automatically makes it to where when you enter in the drill bit, it's going to enter to where it's a straight hole into the wall. Your hole's not going to be off or crooked, which is what I do when I hang pictures. It's going to be completely straight to where when you take it out, you're going to remove the self-aligning tool, remove your drill bit, and then when you place the screw in, you're already going to have that hole in your wall where the screw just goes in straight.